Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we will be talking about the only investor bot that you will need. But let's do the fun part first. So here goes the disclaimer. Now that we're done with the fun part, let's look into the bot. So this is a new bot introduced by 3 Commas called the HODL bot. Hold on to your life. So as you can see, I have two bots running over here. Both of them are on 15 days. So let's look at the bots, how it's done, or we can create a new one. But in this one, let's have a look that. So basically, this is a bot which is designed for long-term investors. A lot of my friends, and family as well, would ask, how would they would want to invest in crypto, and the slowest form or the safest form or when they should get in, and all of those things. So if someone wants to just invest and invest over time and not be waiting, oh, when should I get in, when is the right time to get in, then this bot is the bot for that, because you can just keep buying either every 7 days, either every 2 weeks, either every 3 weeks, every month. And that way, if you do it over a period of 4 5 years, and keeping long-term investment in mind, you're getting the best price, because the market's going up and down. There are different cycles. So I'm really happy that 3 Commas introduced this, and it's really wonderful for people who just want to invest on a regular basis, and maybe they can do a bit of smart trades, swing trades. They're not into bots, so they can use this HODL bot. So how does it work? You give in your amount here. As you can see, this is the amount. Minimum is 10 USD, and then the USD amount, and then let's say you decide on the days at what time, and next buy date you decide on your own, and that's it. Click save. Because this is something which is already running, I started this about a month back, so I have an average price of 34, bought at market value of 60. This is the market value, okay? And then here I have an average price of 2435. Okay, I know we are way lower than that, but that's the compounding effect. That's the effect of this bot. Now let's look at the paper trading version of this. Yeah, so here we have the Luna, which is being invested into, and average buy price for Luna is 92. So this one we can go ahead and stop it, and thank God it's paper trading. Let's go on to Sol. This is for every 30 days, and at the moment the market price for this is 67. This is for Ethereum for every 14 days, and it's able to get a market of 2458, and this is for BTC every 7 days. And this is the amount invested so far, and we have an average price of this. So as you can see, you can divide from 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, and 30 days. This is why we have this sample for you. So let's start with a new one. And so we select our exchange. In this case, it's paper account. What do you want to buy? So the bot has you have the complete list of pretty much all the coins, and let's say we want to buy BNB bond. Okay, I will go with dot. Okay, so for how much? So I want to invest in dot, $25, or let's say I want to invest $15 every 7 days at 5 p.m. That's it. That's all you have to do, and then you create a bot. So just so you know, this bot is designed for long-term investments. It allows conventional DCA, dollar cost averaging investment strategy. Blah blah blah. Current price. Investing this way does not require a big sum, one-time payment, and slowly you can get a lot of profit over time. Imagine you're buying $100 worth of Bitcoin once a week for the past 100 weeks. That's about 2 years, less than 2 years. Your investment would amount to 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000, and the market price of the asset is 26,000. That is 160% profit. Anyways, so overall, I love this bot. I think this is a great add-on from 3Commerce for people who would like to invest besides doing smart trade, besides doing running their bots and using 3Commerce for options as well as for grid bots. But HODL bot is a really amazing add-on, and of course the new 3Commerce wallet is also an amazing add-on besides their marketplace and everything. You can find a link to the to sign up for 3Commerce. It's a referral link that would help me and help you as well. If you sign up for an annual membership, you'll get 50% off. And yeah, there's a link to my Patreon as well, which would also help me out, and we can always go on a call and I can help you out, set up your smart trade, or help you out with your bots, configuring your bots, or just general discussions as well. That way you can support me, and it'll be great. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz112, link in the description below.